Hi there, welcome back. I am driving to Apeldoorn. Quite a drive, 1.5 hours for me. In Holland that's a lot. I know most places in the world that's not long. But in Apeldoorn there's going to be a drive today with some Ferraris. All corona proof, don't worry about that. And I just decided, well, I can't drive myself, but I can just have a look behind the scene and meet my friends, wave at them in this case because I cannot talk to them. So I haven't seen most of them in about 1.5 years, so pretty exciting. And well, join me today. As I said, I am on my way to Apeldoorn, meeting point of the drive. The FerrariOwnersClubNL decided to organize a drive corona proof because what I believe that the people will not come out of the car. It's just coming together with the cars. There will be photographers, spotters that make photos of the cars, and then all the cars go for a nice drive in the countryside. Stop at the point where more photos will be taken, and then in the end, the final location. Same thing, photos, and just drive back to your home. In that way, you still have the feeling of a family drive, because the Ferrari world is a family, but also completely corona-proof and safe. And well, I have no car at this moment, so I haven't been to these events about 1.5 years, I think, or at least seen the people for that long, that amount of time. So I decided, well, why don't I join just in my daily and stop at the photo stops, film the cars that are driving there, and maybe have a look at what the spotters do. Because the spotters, the photographers, they are standing on the route and make beautiful films and photos of the cars. So that will be a fantastic for you guys to see how much effort they put in organizing a drive like this. So let's see what cars we can see today. Hopefully the weather clears up. I know it will, because when I left The Hague, the sun was shining, and I know the sun is following me because it always does. So well, let's see what happens today. Well, here we are. We're at the village Duisburg. The cars are coming here, I think, in about 15 or 20 minutes. Behind me you see one of the photographers preparing, filming and making photos of the situation. And well, the wind is picking up, so there's a little accident right here. Is it okay?
I hope so. Thanks.
Okay. Well, that we live in Holland. People speak Dutch, and I keep speaking English. So everyone I meet starts speaking English. So I'm gonna leave my friend Tarek here alone, and I'm gonna walk to the other photographers to have a look at what they are doing. And somewhere around that route I will find a spot where I'll just settle down and watch the cars drive by. So I think it's like a game, huh? Spot the spotter. Well, just having a nice city walk. Oh, guys, I like this one. Well, dun, 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 dun. You know what? I'll just snap my finger and be right back to you. Like I said, just had a nice walk. Look behind me, you see the church we're not going there. Here I see some more spotters. Guys, say hi.
Hi.
Yes. So, well, lovely city. And now all we have to do is wait for the cars. Perfect timing. The first cars are here to arrive. Look at this. I'm just gonna do it like this. Just a perfect timing for me to walk over here. And the funniest thing is, I just learned that you see the lines behind me. These are the old tram tracks. This little city used to have a tram. First of all, I am amazed so many Ferraris turned up for this drive because of the weather. It's clearing up right now, that's a good thing, but still I can imagine not everybody wants to drive now. Saw some very interesting cars, especially love the Giulia. I'm a big fan of that car. And I really want one. But yeah, well, we have to make choices in our life. So we'll see what will happen in the future. So, just jumped out of the car to have a look at what the fuck is going on around here. So, love the sound. this is it. Long day, quite tired. Vitamin F. Well, it's been a long day. Well, all the cars are gone now. Like I said, it was like driving, get your sandwich and go out, because otherwise it wouldn't be smart with Corona and all other problems we have currently. But I love this day. I love seeing Ferraris again. So thank you for watching. See you again next time. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, spread the word. Know the drill. Thank you and goodbye.